In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable OAuth for Lovable MCP Server. To get started, open your project in Lovable and make sure you publish the latest version of your app. This part is important because MCP servers are created from published apps, not from unpublished drafts. If your latest changes are still sitting in draft mode, the integration won't reflect them correctly. Once your app is published, go into your project and open the More menu. From there, select Agent Integrations, then click Enable. At this stage, Lovable will analyze your app and automatically generate an MCP server along with suggested tools. This saves time, but you still want to review everything carefully before making it available. Next, inspect each generated MCP tool. Pay close attention to the tool names, the descriptions, and the read or write permissions assigned to them. Also review which actions should actually be exposed to AI assistance. If there are tools you don't want users accessing, remove them before moving forward. This is a good moment to think about safety and scope, especially if your app handles user-specific or sensitive actions. When you configure the integration, choose OAuth or protected access instead of making the MCP server public. Protected access means users must sign in before an AI assistant can use your MCP tools. In Lovable, OAuth is the default authentication approach, and it's the right choice when you want access tied to a real user account and that user's permissions. After that, verify that your app's authentication is working properly. If your app uses user accounts, confirm sign-in works as expected. If you're using SUPA-based authentication, also make sure any row-level security policies are configured correctly and that users can only access their own data. OAuth depends on your existing authentication and authorization rules, so this step helps prevent permission problems later. Now click Publish to make the MCP integration available. Lovable hosts the MCP server automatically, so there's no separate deployment process to worry about. Next, open an MCP-compatible AI client such as Claude, ChatGPT, or another supported client, and add the Lovable MCP server using the server URL https://mcp.lovable.dev. Once you connect, the client will open your browser to begin the OAuth sign-in flow. In the browser, sign in to your Lovable account, review the requested permissions, and click Authorize. After that, the AI client receives an access token and can start using the tools you exposed. To test everything, open a new chat and ask the assistant to perform an action like retrieving data, creating a record, updating a project, or running a workflow. Confirm it